Most of the people are playing very short game. Only आज के लिए हो गया, that's it. कल के लिए कल सोचेंगे. No. What is that you want out of your job in next 6 months? Have you ever thought of it, ever written it down? If you don't know what is that you want after 6 months, how you will be happy when you reach to that 6 months? We might be thinking, one day I'll have everything, one day candidates will accept the offer, one day I'll have all the candidates joining. And when is the one day? In future. And for your information, future comes in one day at a time. Today was the future for yesterday. And the same thing will come after 6 months. And if you are not ready with what you want, how do you think you are going to understand that you reached what you wanted? And so on, as you continue, we are walking near to our grave. We are not here to play a long run test match. No, guys. People are around 25 to 30 to 40, 45, 50. We are already in the middle. Half of the life gone, on half of the life there. That's it. What is that you wanted to do in the half of your life? Have you written it down? Do you really, what the kind of life you wanted to see yourself with your family, with your kids? What kind of life you deserve? What you want? When is that you're going to write it down? You want candidate to answer the phone. Why? You want candidate to accept the offer. Why? Because your manager wanted, because your hiring manager wanted, because you want incentive. Why do you want incentive? What is your why? Find the damn why thing. Then you will get all the words like this within. And here to talk like this, I don't have to think anything else. I don't have to prepare anything else. It is not, I have never prepared any script and nothing else, unless I have to go and give a keynote speech. That's it. Because I know what I want. I'm damn clear about it. If you are not clear about what you want, then why are you walking? Because sometimes walking hurts for those people who do not know why they are walking. Now, are you guys in love with what you're doing? I'm in love with what I'm doing. It is scheduled for 1 o'clock, 1 hour. It's more than 1.5 hours. It's okay you ask me any damn questions and it goes to 3 hours. I'm going to talk. This is important to me in my life. Now you got to find out, did you ever ask the creator that you have given me a job? I'm so happy. Now help me to connect with the candidates who answer my calls. Connect me to the people who are going to take the projects. No, because you want to take the control of something that you cannot control. That's the problem. And I have been learning it in a hard way. We are trying to change the reality the way we wanted it to be, but we forgot to look at the reality the way it is. The moment you accepted this is the reality, and you have to look that it is helping you to go to your goal, then you will get energy and motivation. Now, when you are not sure about where you want to go, then whatever comes up on the way, it looks like an obstacle. And at this point of time, most of the people, what they want is money and salary or incentives. Now they tie this salary to their current job. If I do well, I'll get this salary. Okay. If the candidate joins, I'll get the incentive. That's okay. But why? Why do you want that salary? Why do you want that incentives? Have you born on this planet Earth to just because do some recruiter job and die one day? Is that the purpose of the divine creator brought you to the earth? There has to be a bigger purpose. Now, your job has to be the vehicle for you to go to the next level. Now, your vehicle needs servicing. You never frustrate because it needs engine oil change. That's it. What's there to be frustrated? Now, your candidates are not replying. Now, you are thinking that's the bigger problem. Why? Because you have not set your bigger goal. What is your bigger goal? Where do you want to see yourself by January 2022? Where do you want to see yourself by January or December 2025? Now, are you walking on the road? Do you really want to reach your 50s, 60s and look back and you cry that, oh my God, I become old. I don't know what I have to do now? That's where you want to reach, people? That doesn't have to be. Now, why it is happening like this? Because there is no clarity on what we are doing. If you have a clarity exactly where you want to go, you will not get scared leaving this job and joining another company, because you're just changing a vehicle. At this point of time, your job is your life, your manager is your god, your submission is your lifeline, your money is your breathing, but you made it all artificial. When is the last time you took the life to your control? अरे सुबह होते ही कि your company takes control of you, the candidates takes control of you, the milk wala takes control of you, the current bill takes control of you. Where the hell you are taking control of your life? Now you want to take control of your life in Saturday and Sunday, and I took 1.5 hours of your time. You have to think it in a very, very serious manner. If you don't learn now, it is very difficult that you may not learn ever. What have you expected to life happen to you then? Can you tell? What have you expected the life to happen to you?